teach you a dance tutorial to our song cover version of Who You Say I Am by Hillsong. And I'm going to teach it to you step by step, and we'll do a little faster and then with music. Also, I want to share with you this really cool CJ and Friends jersey, which I got from Team Jersey Pro, and you can get your custom jersey too in the description below. Alright, how about we get started? So, you're going to go ahead and bring your legs, bring them apart right here, and we're going to clap 4 times. So I'm going to say it with the lyrics. It goes, who the sun sets free. So you're going to do that 4 times. Let's try it again. Who the sun sets free. And then we're going to do a little grapevine and push our arms. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, and clap. And the other side, 1, 2, 3, and clap. Good job. Let's try it from the top. Here we go. Who the sun sets free is free indeed. From here, we're going to go down and up, and the words go, I'm a child of God, and you're going to punch twice. Yes, I, and then you're going to point to yourself, am, and throw. Good job. Let's try it again. So, 4 claps. Who the sun sets free is free indeed. I'm a child of God. Yes, I am. And throw. Good job. Next part is you're going to bring this arm up. In my Father's house, there's a place for me. Again, let's try that one more time. So you're going to reach out. In my Father's house, big arms, there's a place for me. And we're going to go down and up one more time. I'm a child of God. Yes, I. There you go. And this is a really fun part. We're going to imagine we're playing Limbo. We got to go under a pole. So you're going to go down and up. Down and up, down and up, down and up, down and up. And then from here, you're going to do a little step, throw, step, push, step, throw, step, push. Let's try it one more time from Limbo. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, throw, step, punch, step, throw, and push. From here, we're going to do a little Mario move. So you're going to imagine your Mario, whoop, and switch. Other side, whoop, switch. So again, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Let's try it one more time from Limbo. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, throw, punch, throw, punch. Mario, 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 Mario. And then you're going to bring your arms out, point, and turn, 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 throw. Good job, you guys. How about we try it all from the top a little faster? Here we go. Here we go. Here the sun sets free. Oh, it's free indeed. I'm a child of God. Yes, I am. In my Father's house, there's a place for me. I'm a child of God. Yes, I am. Hey, let's go. Throw, push, throw, push. Mario, 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 Mario. Open, point, 1, 2, 3, and cross your arms. Great job, you guys. Let's try it with the music.
Oh, his love for me, who the sun sets free.
see you guys in the next